parents yell things from the sidelines and it puts a lot of pressure on the kids.
Haven't seen much of today, boys. Not had many opportunities to run at defenders. And I think this is close enough to really test them. That's good angle for the right.
A beautiful dog, Your Majesty. 'Tis a deformed bunny. Oh, my mistake, Your Majesty.
Tell us about your mission. Were you nervous? Was your life really in danger?
Not really. People in the Resistance aren't the brightest of flames. Then again, what can you expect from them?
Strikes it to the far post, and Navas ran it all the way. Oh, have a look at it again. Look, he's just trying to get a glance at his.
I've made peace with Mbande.
What?
And I've also agreed to be his ambassador to the Portuguese, so we are going to Rwanda.
Why are you letting Mbande hide behind you? He is the king after all.
Please speak freely. No one else does.
It's like they never had a single practice.
Hey, what are you talking about? Our team won.
I'm not talking about the players. I'm talking about the cheerleaders. And I'm sorry. If your back leg isn't straight, it's not going to
That's my board. When you get that other pass from Ava, I want all the attackers upfield. They're going to overcompensate, and that'll be wide open. Guys, this is what we've waited for since kindergarten.